Hey, how are you doing? Welcome to Miss Tech Hack. What is this video all about? Let's have a preview. Today in this video we will see how to add React router in our React application. Before we go ahead, make sure to subscribe to Miss Tech Hack, so you don't miss on any of our updates and latest videos. A bonus tip. Are you in a hurry to learn React? Well, I have a good news for all who want to be a React developer. Check out the Udemy course link in description. And you can access all React training videos in just one click. Do watch the video till end to get all the insights. So let's get started. Open command prompt and go to React app location. Run npm command to install React Router DOM as shown in video. In app component, import browser router and wrap the component within same. For routing, we will add routes with path name and component name, and React will route us automatically as defined. To route using the menu added in last video, let's add a home component as a functional component. Define home in main component and add switch to use routing. By routing, I mean add routes with path and component name defined above for home and menu component. Also add a redirect to provide default path for React application. Let's correct home component and move HTML and return call. Now if we refresh browser, it will land up on home page. Let's update the anchor tag with links to provide path in the footer component. Once done, we will also add a toggle and navbar under header component that will use a onClick event. For this, we will define a state and bind a function in constructor. And using this event, we will update the state value. Also, we will update the navbar with a logo and add some styling for the same. Now if we refresh the browser, we can see the updated application with toggle and logo. If we change path in browser to \menu, it will route us to menu component. To improve it further, let's add a collapsible navigation, that will contain the links to navigate directly without updating path in browser. Let's do some code refactoring and refresh. Now it's displaying correctly. As you can see, we have made it a responsive application. It's coming correctly in both desktop and mobile view. So, we have successfully seen how to add React Router in our React application. That's it for this video. I hope you find it useful. For any queries or concerns, write me down in the comment section. Thank you so much. Have a great day.